Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80073D21 in Windows 11.
Fix 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter Step 1. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Step 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Step 3. Find Windows Store Apps and click Run. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart your PC. Fix 2. Reset Microsoft Store Cache Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type WSRset X, and hit Enter. Step 2. Wait for the command to finish. Store will open automatically. Fix 3. Reset Microsoft Store App Step 1. Press Windows plus I, Apps, Installed Apps. Step 2. Find Microsoft Store. Click the three-dot menu Advanced Options. Step 3. Click Reset, Confirm.